Here's your view from our driveway to Frank Smith Road. Oh, we're coming to our house. That's the Danos. There's the view going down Barber Lane. As we approach our house, we find a wonderful view. We have sunlight. Unfortunately, you can't see the hole in the roof in Jared's room, but we'll progress around. Follow me. The wonderful snows of New England. We so love them. I'm trying to get you a wide-angle view, but let's see what we can do. Well, here's the big trees in front of the house, so let's look at them. My goodness. Oh, that's where they stop. Beautiful sunny sky though. Ah, the backyard. Oh. Boy, would Daniel have fun playing in this mess. Think of all the places he could hide. Whoa. There's the neighbors behind us. Your mother's garden? Oh, our deck! Wow. Can't see if we got any damage to the deck. The gas grill doesn't look too happy. Wow. More broken trees. Well, that concludes our tour. We end up back in the front of the house. You can hear Mr. Dano with the chainsaw going. All our trees. And there's Mom's car and the driveway. So, with that, have a good day all, and we'll talk to you later.